My people, how una dey? Una welcome. Today we wan break down Genesis chapter 5 for correct Pidgin English. Abeg, make una find correct seat, sit down and enjoy. Today I carry one chapter wey many people dey like to skip anytime they open the Bible. If you open am, e go look like family tree. E go look like say na obituary column. But make I tell you, Genesis chapter 5 na spiritual gold mine. Na chapter wey show how God dey work behind the scenes, from Adam to Noah, and how legacy fit continue even if wahala full ground. I go break am down like garri inside hot water by the grace of God. Verse by verse, life by life, you go see say your own life too dey very important. Abeg, make you no move an inch at all so that you no go miss any parts. Adam's lineage. This na the book of generation of Adam. God create man in his own likeness, male and female, and he blessed them. You hear that? God no just create you, he bless you too. Meaning say, from the one you carry God's touch, you no be accident and you no be leftover. You be image of Baba God himself. Question for you. You dey live like person wey get blessing, or you dey hustle like say nothing dey your head? Adam born Seth. Adam live 130 years before he born Seth. Seth come resemble am. That na spiritual mirror. The way Adam resemble God, na so Seth resemble Adam. Generation dey carry pattern. Adam live 130 years. Kai! That time people dey live long, but even with the long life, he still die. Lessons wey we fit learn. Time dey go. You fit live long, but wetin you use the time do? Your days fit plenty, but if you no invest am inside good thing, you go just exist. You just dey live. We see how Seth born Enoch. Enoch born Kenan. Kenan born Mahalalel, and he born Jerel. All of them dey live long and born plenty pikin. But one pattern dey there. Dem dey born, dem dey live, dem dey die. Wetin Bible dey show here be say life get rhythm, life get circle. But question be, wetin you dey add to that circle? You just dey continue story, or you dey change the narrative? Kenan name mean possession. Wetin you dey possess? Mahalalel mean praise of God. Your name, your action dey give God praise. This na not just name matter, na message e be. Enoch story sweet. Omo, make we learn for verse 21 to 24. Enoch na different person. Bible talk say Enoch waka with God for 300 years. Not just waka, steady waka. And God na carry am go. He no die. Wait oh, you know wetin that mean? E shock me. Others dey live, dey die, but this guy waka with God sotey death no fit touch am. Lessons wey we fit learn. Number 1 be say God dey notice who dey follow am. Number 2, if you waka with God, you go dey different from crowd. Number 3, you fit break family circle through fellowship with God. Na like say for your own family, everybody dey shout, dey fight, dey curse, but you come talk say, I go dey different. For real life example, you fit be like Enoch for your family, the one wey choose to forgive, to pray, to seek God, and your own story no go end like others. Ask yourself, if Enoch waka with God for 300 years, you wey just dey for 30 years dey complain say Christian life hard. Abeg, calm down. God dey reward loyalty. Verse 25 to 27 talk about Methuselah. Methuselah live 969 years, oldest man for Bible. But even with the long life, e still die. Longevity no mean legacy. Ask yourself, if God give you 969 years, wetin you go do with am? Build church, start godly business, train pikin wey go change nation. No let age deceive you. You fit young but wise. You fit old but empty. Legacy over longevity. Verse 28 to 32 come tell us how Noah come enter stage. Lamech born Noah and give prophecy. This one go comfort us from the hard life wey this ground dey bring. My people, Noah never even walk, and they don dey talk say e go bring comfort. Lessons wey we fit learn. You fit be the answers to prayers wey your ancestors don dey pray since. No let your beginning deceive you. Greatness dey your blood. Even if everyone for your family dey suffer, you fit be the Noah, the one wey go start fresh. Wetin you dey carry for your hand? Is it comfort or chaos? Ask yourself, wetin dem go talk about me for all the chapters of my life? Benefits and life application from Genesis chapter 5. You go learn say God value family and legacy. Even life get purpose even if Bible mention am small. Waka with God dey possible and e dey reward am. You no too young or too old to change story. You fit live long, but make sure say you also live well. Challenge yourself. Write your own Genesis chapter 5. Who you be? Wetin you dey pass to the next generation? Lessons we fit learn. Even if life hard, God plan still dey move. You fit break generational pattern with your work with God. Legacy matter pass property. Consistency with God fit make you escape ordinary life. No underrate yourself. Na you fit bring peace to your family like Noah. E don clear now say Genesis chapter 5 no be ordinary list, na treasure box of wisdom. From Adam to Noah, God dey show say he get plan. He get process, and he dey use people like me and you. So my people, not just waka through life anyhow, waka with God. Be like Enoch, build like Noah, and bless your generation like Adam, Seth, and the rest. So my people, you don see say Genesis chapter 5 no be dry list. Na chapter of legacy, faithfulness, and destiny. Be like Adam, plant foundation. Be like Enoch, waka with God, and be like Noah, bring solution. If this video teach you something new, abeg press the like button. If you learn anything new, drop am for comment section. And if you no wan miss any other Bible gist, abeg subscribe. Share with your mama, share with your papa, share with your friends and family, share with your children, and even share with your neighbor. And until next time, make you waka with God and make you no look back.